Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Alright guys, so I decided to try Green Chef, and this is it. As you see here, these are the three individual meals. These are just the menu cards, recipe cards. Alright, so as you can see, those are all the dishes that they have in the box. And again, it's three, much like all other delivery or food delivery services such as this. Alright, so I'm going to open the first one. I'm just going to pretty much open up the packages and show you guys what's inside. Alright, so there's kale they have in there, seasonings. And one thing you'll notice, guys, pretty much all the boxes have like the same seasoning. Curry, some curry things. Overall, I was not impressed with this at all. Tomatoes looked okay, but when you open the packages, some of them at the bottom weren't all that great. Cauliflower was okay. And those are just almonds. Alright, so I'm just going to continue showing you each individual package so you can see what's inside of it. So as you can see, this is another curry, some curry seasonings, mixed veggies, rice, tomato. Yeah, so nothing impressive. Alright guys, so this is the last package right here. So I'm going to open it and show you the contents. As you can see, we got more kale. So just like the other one, it has like kale, regular vegetables and such. Nothing fancy, nothing out of the ordinary. Until you get to this bell pepper. They actually put a half of bell pepper in the bag. What is this? I don't know. I'm just not impressed with Green Chef at all, and I would not get any more from them, like ever. So yeah, that is it, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching so very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.